Mwiri wa kairitu ka ukuru wa miaka 20 no wokite uragitwo na ugathikwo mugunda-ini umwe mwena wa Gatundu North County ya Kiambu. Aciari a Hellen Wambui makoretwo makimwetha kuma muthenya wa Kiumia riria atumirwo nduka-ini mathaa-ini ma hwaini no ndaigana gucoka. Thimu yake irakoretwo irihorie kuma muthenya ucio riu thuthuria ni ukikorirwo kiambikwo ni maabitha a borithi. Ni ndeto ikiri na kieha kuonete mundu ugwitwo Hellen Wambui korirwo agitumwo ni aciari ake nduka no ndaigana gukorwo agicoka ni agikorwo akionekana murage na agikorwo athikitwo thiini wa kaunti ino ya Kiambu kuria Gatundu North na ni agikorwo kana ni agikorwo mbica njuru muno makiria kuona aria maragikorwo magika wiki nayo marakorwo magikorwo makimunyita kia hinya na maragikorwo makimutungia bara nene muno makiria na maragikorwo makimuthika. Ni ndeto ikiri na magigi muno makiria tugagikorwo tukihoya mwene nyaga akorwo akiumiriria family ino ya mundu gwitwo Hellen Wambui kahinda gaka maragikorwo makigerera kahito na aria makorirwo kana aria marakorirwo makiuraga mundu gwitwo Hellen Wambui makorwo magitacukirio ikinya rihiu ria kiwatho na Ngai ndagikorwo akimauma ikuhi akorwo akimaathibu. Akenya mwena wa comment section no makorwo makiugo harita uyu akorwo akiandikwo na Jimmy Wash banaka something is going very wrong. It's so devastating. Why is this satanic thing coming from Kenya? Because all this must be a secret behind the scene. That phone need to be tracked for all communication. And who was the last person to talk to? This life the world love mapenzi boyfriend girlfriend is triggering and we need solution ASAP because some people cause some death are not God's will. Na Mohoro hajakia koga na ukichunguza mzuri utapata tu alikufa in the name of love. Na jeni mamake Elvis akauga Woiyee girl child is not safe, may God protect us. Na Rachel Chegi akauga oh God of mercy, why same people are so hatred instead of being a kindness? Kagera korwo akigereria uri ungi gacira kae baba kana gacira gaceke onake no agikorwo akigererio. Na mamaisha kauga have mercy on us and our children dear Lord. Na mundu gwitwo Radia wahitwo kauga the same Sunday kwa karibu kuuliwa Madhare aki nilikuwa na nyongo hata siku naweza kumeza kitu. That's God, niko hai hata kama walienda na kila kitu. Gai aciari na familia yake ile tukaka hinya na thayo ni uchungu pia wenye kufanya hivyo au hataenda mbali. Na Grace Kesha I don't know what to say at this point. God please protect us from all dangers, may she rest in peace. Na mudogo ito Chari Master aka yule rasta aliuliwa na Godshad mbona hawakumshughulikia. Na Pauline Wanjira kwa mwenye anatafuta video za Eastern TV YouTube anajua chenye kimekula huyu nimekuwa hata sitoki nje mchana crying day and night na amani kabisa. Na Mere Machari aka I'm the only one who is wondering what's going on. God protect youth so bad. Na modo oge akorwo kiugo nowadays sacrifices are done with girl child. May the Lord give peace her family during this hard time. And to the killer, may your children never have peace. Evelyn Alan Akawawe, I felt like fainting. This girl looked exactly like my niece. Sorry for the loss to the family. Na Flora Gogi Akawa Moraga nina yake no akorago na itakuwa ya uchungu yake. Na Janet Nyagakawa, God have mercy upon and protect our children. Na Anwaidhira Akawawe, may she rest in peace. Na Modogo eto wairimu waka ngo aikoro kiuga Gai Gatundu North kwina ngoma yarahukite ya Kuuraga iritu. Na Judy Kim akawa this is too much especially girls. God have mercy on our children. Na Kanyabu Moiro akauga God please protect our children. We pray this is sad. May God comfort the family. Na Tabitha Gofia akauga so sad. May God protect our children. Na Tesishi akauga aki Mungu wangu kunaendaje aki hata kutuma mtoto dukani ni shida aki Jehova ingilia aki. Na Mary Shantaya akawa Kai what's going on, unatumwa umeishi kwenda daily but one day unakosa kurudi unaanza kutafutwa city mochari. Na Florence kama waka woi mwathani ukorera ciana citoko tukorwo tukirera ciana citoko gitera ciana ciitu Jehova na maingi kamande akawa oh God this is too much na Eric Marago akawa oh God why did human being turned out to be animals who gave human being authority to take one's life away. God have mercy on us. Na Esther Shege akawa why kill such a young soul. Na Maina Ke akawa our Kikuyu girls kidouble deal amtamaliza mwendo aki. Na Shiro Justin ya habibiti akawa Gatundu North kwina ngoma hata huyo mwingine hajazikwa. Ni ndeto ikiri na Kieha muno kuria Gatundu North county-ini ya Kiambu uria mundu gwitwo Hellen Wambui aragikorirwo akinyitwo kia hinya aratungio bara ni nyanake na aragikorwo agithikwo. Ni ndeto tugukorwo tukirumanira na guku kwa Mwangi wa Mohoro Ngongoyo na gitio kinene witikira gukorwo gisubscribe thini wa channel ino itu na ndukariganire gukorwo giturn on notification bell on nigetha ukamukagira maria maragikorwo magithie na mbere gukorwo makihanika guku thini wa nenda ici ciitu cio kinyaniria nginya muthenya ungi ni njiteka Mwangi wa Mohoro mwena wa TikTok uko gwito follow Mwangi wa Mohoro ngetha twagikorwo tuikinya rimwe mbere kana wagikorwo kiri wa mbere ukorwo kiamukira mohoro maria baragikorwo magithii na mbere ukorwo makihanika thini wa bururi witu wa Kenya.